Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy M36 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and security features like fingerprint recognition. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type biometrics. You might see several suggestions pop up. Some might relate to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Just ignore those. What you're looking for is the option that says biometrics and security, or sometimes just biometrics, depending on your model and software version. Step 4. From the search results, tap on Biometrics and tap again. Then look for and tap Fingerprints. Your phone will now ask you to enter your current screen lock. This might be a PIN, password, or pattern, depending on what you've set up. Enter your credentials and then tap Continue. Step 5 for the last and most important step. Now it's time to register your fingerprint. Tap the Add Fingerprint or Register option. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor. This is usually located under the screen on newer Galaxy models or on the back or side button for older ones. Press and lift your finger repeatedly following the on-screen instructions until the fingerprint circle fills up to 100%. Make sure you press different parts of your fingertip each time for the most accurate scan. Once your fingerprint is fully registered, tap Done to save it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.